to Royal Motors, where we talk about machines that rule the roads. Today's spotlight is on a true legend of reliability, the Honda CG125. This motorcycle has earned its name through decades of trust, simple engineering, and everyday performance. Whether you're a daily commuter or a first-time rider, the CG125 continues to be a familiar and dependable choice. Classic design that never fades. The Honda CG125 keeps things traditional, and that's exactly its charm. With a clean fuel tank, chrome accents, and an upright riding posture, it reflects a timeless commuter style. The long seat and simple instrument cluster focus on comfort and clarity rather than unnecessary extras, making it ideal for daily use in busy city traffic or rural roads. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CG125 is a 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine known for its durability. It delivers smooth power, steady acceleration, and excellent low-end torque. This setup makes the bike easy to ride, especially in stop-and-go conditions. The engine is tuned for longevity, meaning it performs consistently even after years of hard use. Fuel efficiency and practicality. One of the strongest points of the Honda CG125 is its fuel efficiency. Riders often praise it for delivering impressive mileage, helping keep running costs low. Combined with a decent fuel tank capacity, the CG125 becomes a practical companion for long daily commutes without frequent fuel stops. The suspension setup is simple yet effective, absorbing road bumps comfortably. Its lightweight frame and balanced handling make the CG125 easy to control for riders of all experience levels. The upright seating position reduces fatigue, especially on longer rides. Maintenance and reliability. Honda built the CG125 with simplicity in mind. Parts are widely available, maintenance is affordable, and most local mechanics know this bike inside out. This reliability is why the CG125 remains popular in many markets even today. Final thoughts. The Honda CG125 isn't about flashy features, it's about trust, economy, and long-term performance. If you're looking for a motorcycle that just works, day after day, the CG125 stands strong as a proven legend. Stay connected with Royal Motors for more honest motorcycle reviews and insights.